Welcome to Culinary Museum with Chef Mohamed Abdell. Today we are making a mouth-watering duck risotto with dry apricot zucchini and a perfect finish with duck prosciutto. Let's dive right in. Now let's get started. Olive oil. Second step, onion. Rosemary. Kurta. Zucchini. Cannoli rice. Apricot. Butter in to finish the risotto and mix. Then you get creamy risotto and then grana padano cheese. And mix. So now the time to plate up. So first thing, we put the ring on center of the plate. We will put the risotto here in the ring. Now we slice the prosciutto duck. Now we finish the risotto with just duck prosciutto on top. Couple slices will be on top. Yes, one more piece here. And now let's remove the ring gently here. So now we explain the plate. We have the duck risotto mixed with zucchini and apricot and finish it with the duck prosciutto. Try out and let me know what you think in the comment below. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.